Let's dive into the world of British idioms and conversational phrases. You know, the things that Brits say that might seem a bit confusing. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Lillie Rose and I've got my partner to help me today. Reggie, what are you up to?
Nothing much. I'm just watching IPL cricket match. Would you like to hang out?
Yeah, I'd love to. What do you fancy doing?
I'm easy.
It's glorious out. How about a picnic?
Can do.
I'll make some sausage rolls. They'll go down a treat.
What else? What else is there?
Nice cup of tea. That always hits the spot.
Yeah, is there anything for a dessert?
Scones?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Okay. Here we are for today. 5 idioms and conversational phrases you can start using every day and improve your linguistic skills. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep practicing. See you later.
Bye.